Alright, so in the last video I encouraged you guys to make some tables using the Extrude tool. Now in this video I'm just going to show you some simple ways to accomplish that. So I'm going to tab into edit mode and hold control and move this up so it's level with the ground. Now I want to be in face selection mode because I could right click to select each vertex manually, but it's a lot easier if you're in face selection mode, so then it's just one right click. So I have my face selected, and I'm just going to make the simplest possible table. So I'm going to hit E to extrude. I'm going to right click to leave it in place, and then S to scale, and E to extrude again. And there you go. That's just like the simplest possible table you could possibly imagine. Now if I want something a little more complicated, I'm going to hit the E key again, extrude this up, extrude out, and when I do this, actually I'm going to undo that. Sometimes when you extrude, you want to snap it to even units. So E and then hold control and snap it up 1 unit. And then I'm going to hold E and go over 2 units. And you know, maybe I want the legs to be a little bit taller and skinnier. So I think this first extrusion, I'm going to take it up like 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5. And then E to extrude and just go up by 1. Now I'm going to take this, E to extrude, and I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units out. E to extrude, 1, 2. And now I'll take this down to the ground, still holding control. Right click, right click, right click, holding shift. And now I'm just going to hit E and hold control and snap this until it looks fairly squarish. Good enough for me. And then E one more time, go out 2 snaps, 1, 2. And now I'm going to right click here and shift right click here. E to extrude, hold control, and just go all the way down to the ground. And now if I want to make sure that's level, I can hit the 3 key. Now I'm in side view, and it's kind of hard to tell if these line up. And right now we're in right perspective, and that creates kind of an issue because things off in the distance are smaller and things up close are a lot larger. And this is a little bit closer to the camera than this, because here if you go straight to this object, just the effect of perspective is making this a little bit hard to see. So I'm going to hit the 5 key on the number pad, and that takes us into right orthographic view. And essentially what that does is cancel out the effect of perspective. No matter how far something is from the camera, it's always going to stay the same size. And you see this in isometric games. And so it's not the most accurate way to view something, because things that are further away should appear smaller. But in this case, if we jump into side view, now we can see this perfectly lines up with the ground. The one behind it does as well. And they're all like perfectly in sync. I'm going to hit 5 to jump back into perspective view. And there you have it. We have a simple table using only the extrude tool.